This is the OnePlus 13, and I'm going to share with you guys my unboxing and first impressions. I have the Midnight Ocean blue color. I'm super excited to check it out. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Now, what I love about the unboxing experience with OnePlus is they always come stacked. This is a very thick box. OnePlus 13, 16 gigs of RAM, half a terabyte of storage. It's called Midnight Ocean, and it's got some really good stuff going for it. Snapdragon 8 Elite. Apparently, it's got some pretty good cameras. So we're going to check it out. Now, I also do have the OnePlus 12 on hand, and I'm going to showcase another case that I have separately that I have for the OnePlus 13. But let's first open this up and let's see what we get here. We just pull this out, and it looks like we get, the SIM ejector tool. We're going to be getting right here a USB-C to USB-A. So just some paperwork and whatnot. So there is that. I probably, I have so many SIM ejector tools nowadays. It's just like absurd how much I have. But let's put that aside right there. And let's take a look at the phone itself. Here's the phone right here. Let's put that right there. Let's see what else we get in the box. We are getting right here the wall adapter. There we go. The wall adapter. And this is charging at 80 watts. Super VOOC wired charging 80 watts. We also do get the USB-C to USB-A cable right here. But anyway, let's take a look at the OnePlus 13. I'm super excited. Just look at that. Now, let's peel this. There we go. Oh, wow. Wow, look at that blue. Look at that. And it has like a leather type of feel to it. Now, I'm going to peel this off, just like that. And just take a moment to appreciate that. Take a moment to appreciate, and everything's falling off the table at the same time, but take a moment to appreciate that color in Midnight Ocean. It looks very, very beautiful. Now, I'm going to turn it on, but before I do that, I do want to bring the OnePlus 12 just for a quick comparison. And here's how it looks. As you can see, the camera cutout with the OnePlus 13 it's just living on its own. It's like an island. Whereas the OnePlus 12, it was kind of embedded into the side railing, but not here with the OnePlus 13. And I feel like the OnePlus 13 has its back is more flat, whereas you have these slight curves on the OnePlus 12. Taking a look elsewhere, we do have the Hasselblad logo right there. We do have the alert slider. This right here, like the side railing, the frame, it's gonna get some fingerprints. Actually, it's already getting fingerprints. We got USB-C, we got speakers, we got the slot right here for your SIM card, and then right here the power button, volume button, and then we got some more ports right here, just like a microphone and whatnot. And then we have a very slightly curved display around. I think it's a quad corner. So let's turn this on. Let's start it up. We're going to be getting Android 15, Oxygen OS 15 as well. We're going to be getting like 4 years of software updates, but I've heard a lot of great things about this. Snappy performance as expected with OnePlus. Now, normally what I do is I usually trade in the older model, but for some reason when I was pre-ordering, I was not able to trade this in. So I traded in a different phone, but now when I go on the website, I can trade in the OnePlus 12. Nonetheless, I'm going to be holding onto the OnePlus 12 for the time being, and we're going to set up the OnePlus 13, just get an initial setup process and see how it looks. But overall, I already do appreciate the less curves. I don't feel any curves around the side, but more curves around the corner. I can definitely see myself using this more often than I did with the OnePlus 12. Anyway, let's get this set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back with the OnePlus 13. I set it up, and yeah, it's everything to expect with Oxygen OS 15. Now, I got a good glimpse of it because of using it with the OnePlus 12. And I'm just excited to just really get right into it, switch over, you know, everything on my Pixel 9 Pro XL to the OnePlus 13. I'm excited to try out the camera, just see how well this performs. This is my first device that I now have in the studio that is rocking the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. So I'm going to be playing lots of games on this and see how powerful it performs. Now, don't get me wrong, OnePlus 12 and phones that have Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 were already super powerful, but this, I'm excited to try it out. But I just can't get over how great this color is. I absolutely love it. Now, imagine if it had matte blue sides like a frame. That would be phenomenal. And I also do want to show you guys a case that I do have, and this right here is from Fiberborn. Now here's the thing, the OnePlus 13 supports very fast wire charging and very fast wireless charging. Granted, you have to have the correct charger. You have to have something like an AirView charger right here. But I have this case right here from Fiberborn. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below. They make phenomenal cases. This product right here is made from 600D aramid fiber. It's not that cheap 1500D. Now this is also partially handmade, so that's what I do appreciate. They actually go through the effort and making their cases and making them handmade. So that's something I do appreciate. But I love aramid fiber with their cases, and minimal, clean, and they feel premium. But not only that, they support MagSafe. So Qi 2, many phones, while they're getting that Qi 2 capability, they're not supporting the magnets. But with this, you can pretty much throw it on the phone right here and you'll have that MagSafe capability. Now, Fiberborn did kind of tell me that because of how the vegan, or this color specifically, was made, it might not 100% line up with the case. However, if you pick up the other colors, the black and the white, those line up perfectly. But for some reason, it's with just the material they're using, I guess, is just a little bit thicker, so it doesn't line up 100%. But it fits very snug. And look at that, very, very beautiful. Absolutely love it. And honestly, I'm putting this on for the first time, and I think it looks great. I mean, I don't know why I was told that, because it looks phenomenal. It looks awesome. Look at that. Very, very nice. Absolutely love it. It does offer that protection. And on top of that, they also sent me a screen protector that I will be installing separately. But I'm excited. I'm excited to try out the OnePlus 13 ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, super smooth performance. It's looking like to be a very nice build. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy. Definitely be sure to stay tuned to the channel. If you guys did enjoy, definitely be sure to superman the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video, because it really does help out the channel out a lot. It will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.